The cleanability of valves, which are in contact with aggressive media and biological substances, is crucial for reliable processes in biotechnology. Biofilms and organic impurities can lead to contamination that has undesirable effects on the analysis results. How can this challenge be overcome? The VYKA media-separated valve offers an attractive solution. On the one hand, its flow-optimized geometry and low dead volumes minimize the risk of biofilms and improve cleanability at the same time. On the other hand, the used FDA-listed materials are resistant to aggressive cleaning chemicals. To prove this, the valves were contaminated with an E. coli suspension in tests and evaluated in a cleaning process according to pharmaceutical industry criteria. This showed that all values for the bacterial count, for endotoxins and for conductivity were below the official limit values according to the European Pharmacopoeia. In further tests, the valves were contaminated with a conventional PCR kit to check for proteins and other organic compounds using TOC determination. Here too, all values are in a very good range and show that the cleaning was successful. If good cleanability is crucial in your biotechnological applications, then the VYKA media-separated valve is the right choice.